This is the Pump Up family of products. Available as foam, spray, or mist units, they are the perfect solution for small jobs and spot cleaning. With a Pump Up, you don't need compressed air or electricity, so you can take a small amount of chemistry and apply it anywhere. And we mean anywhere. All the units are available in 1.5, 5, and 10 liter sizes. The 1.5 liter sizes utilize a comfortable grip handle with a trigger and a built-in barrel. And the 5 and 10 liter sizes are available with the standard wand or a heavy-duty trigger gun. All the units feature a natural colored tank for visibility of product levels, Viton seals for compatibility, and a pressure relief valve so you can safely store the units depressurized. We also offer a drain attachment for a 1.5 liter foam unit, so you can efficiently and effectively apply foam to drains. When portability is a must for your job, just grab and go with a Pump Up unit.